Imagine you're stood on a drizzly platform at Waterloo, clutching a lukewarm latte, watching the same faces board the same 0815 train. It's Groundhog Day on repeat, isn't it? We often feel like passengers in our own lives, driven by a subconscious autopilot that we never actually programmed. This, my friends, is where the grit of behavioural psychology meets the craft of self-development. It's not about finding yourself in a leafy retreat. It's about hacking the feedback loops that dictate your every move. Consider the story of Arthur. Arthur was a brilliant but stuck bloke from Birmingham, the kind of fellow who'd spend his Sundays dreading Monday morning. He wanted to be a writer, but instead he spent his evenings doom-scrolling and polishing off packets of hobnobs. He felt like a failure, but the truth was simpler. His environment was rigged against him. In behavioural terms, his cues were all wrong.
His sofa meant scroll, and his kitchen meant snack. Arthur decided to apply stimulus control. He didn't try to will himself into being Shakespeare. He simply moved his laptop to a tiny, uncomfortable wooden chair by the window. That chair had one purpose: writing. By isolating the behaviour, he bypassed the mental fatigue of decision-making. He used positive reinforcement, not with grand rewards, but with a simple tally chart on his fridge. Every 500 words earned him a proper cup of Earl Grey. It sounds proper basic, doesn't it? But within 6 months, that basic habit loop turned a frustrated commuter into a published author. The secret Arthur discovered is that your brain doesn't care about your dreams. It cares about patterns. If you want to transform your life, stop obsessing over the why and start auditing the how. Behavioural science tells us that action precedes motivation. You don't wait to feel inspired to move. You move, and the inspiration chases you down. Whether you're looking to get fit, climb the career ladder, or just stop being so knackered all the time, the answer lies in the tiny, boring repetitions. Stop waiting for a light bulb moment and start rewiring your routine. Your future self is currently being built by what you do in the next 10 minutes. Don't let them down. Cheers for watching, and let's get to work.